What's up, buddy? Yeah.
Whoa. Dude, I like this one.
Right,
I really want to pet it.
over there?
This one looks really
You want to pet this? Look. Alright, dude, look at these signs. Look at yeah, you know how to read. Yeah, that.
Yeah, but it's like, that's what makes me want to do it more. I want to prove these signs wrong.
You want to prove it.
Just reach out.
Okay, take that away.
No, but he's like, he wants me to pet him.
He doesn't want.
He wants my hand on his head. Just, like, you could tell. He's staring
He's
right
just
at me
looking
like,
for, he looks like he's gonna kill someone. That's what he looks like.
You're a puss. You're a puss.
You're just get away from that one. That one's gonna kill you. That one's gonna kill you. You're not gonna do it. Stop lying. Wow, Nick, I'm actually really surprised you
These
take.
signs don't mean anything, dude. This is a piece of cake.
All right, fine. We're gonna go get some candy or something. We'll be right back.
Watch him be like, it's a piece of cake. Oh my god!
It's gonna be funny if he gets his hand bit off or something.
So you're young.
Nice horses, right? Who's that? Whiskey. What happened?
I didn't know the signs were really true. I thought they were a joke.
The face of a murderer.